So hello all, in this video I will tell you how can you enable the nested virtualization on VirtualBox. So as you can see over here, the tab to enable the nested virtualization is disabled. So to enable that, what all you need to do is you just have to open the file location of VirtualBox. Okay, so in this case it is in my case it is C program files Oracle and VirtualBox. If you don't know the exact location, what all you can do is you just have to right click on the application, then just open the file location and then just copy that. After doing this, you just have to open the command prompt and just cd into that directory. Okay, so now you are into that directory, and now you just have to run this command, and instead of name of VM you have to put the name of your virtual machine. So in my case it is Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So I will copy paste this and I will run this command onto the command prompt. Yes. So now the the nest virtualization should be enabled. Let's check that. Okay, so as you can see, the nested virtualization has been enabled. So yes, thank you for watching.